Hello guys, Rian here. So we have a different setup for today. So what we're going to discuss for today is some other topics covering building telecommunication systems. So beforehand, we discuss about bandwidth, na-discuss na rin natin yung mga topologies ng connection, na-discuss na rin natin yung about sa mga, so what do you call this? Na-discuss na rin natin yung sa mga transmission medium, okay, yung basic communication blocks. So marami na tayong discuss na topics. Okay. So sa ngayon, isingit lang natin mga other topics or mga other essential things na dapat natin malaman about building telecommunication systems. Okay. So, ang una-una namin isingit dito ay tinatawag natin na telecommunications equipment group. So, ano ba itong telecommunication equipment group? So, telecommunication equipment group, according to Wojcik and D'Agostini, a telecommunication equipment group is defined as a centralized space for housing telecommunication equipment. Okay, so ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga telecommunication equipment ay andun sa may kwartong yun. Ano ba yung mga possible na mga telecommunication equipment na nasa may room na yun? So, unang-una doon, pasok na natin doon yung router. So, sa router, meron tayong tinatawag na private branch exchange. Yung tinatawag natin na PBX. So, malaki yung kwarto na yun. So, meron din yung mga dimensions. So, better check the book. So, sinabi ko na sa inyo yung mga dapat natin malaman. So, PBX, yung nangyayari yung yung pagpapalit-palit or yung yung switching ng ating telephone network. So, sample, may pumasok na linya from the outside line sa ating this line. So, ang gagawin niya is, i-distribute niya yun kung saan dapat pumunta yung tao niya. So, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng mga local line. That is because of the private branch exchange. Okay, say for example, okay, may tumawag na na number sa ating local number. So, si private branch exchange, ang gagawin niya ngayon is, i-determine niya ngayon through the local number kung saan office na ngayon ibabato yung tawag. Kung sa accounting ba yan, sa register ba yan, or kung sa department man siya dapat responsible. So, yan ang kainaman niya. So, from the outside line, so sa natin, main number natin, i-branch out na ngayon yan sa iba't ibang department. Okay. So, for the telecommunications equipment group, meron din tayong tinatawag na mga telecommunications closet. So, ano ba itong telecommunications closet? According to D'Agostini and Wojcik, a telecommunications closet simply means a dedicated room on each floor in a building that houses immediate voice and data telecommunications equipment and related cable connections. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga pagkakakonect ng ating mga telepono or ating mga everything that has to do with telecommunications ay dun siya ngayon nakikita. Kumbaga, ito yung counterpart ng ating mga panel board sa may electricity. Kaya sinabi ko, ang telecommunication at saka electricity, ang kanilang wiring ay somewhat similar. At first lang gumagamit ng mga rigid piping. So, kadalasan, ang mga large buildings natin ay marami yung telecommunications connection. Diba? Siyempre, mas malaki yung ating establishment, of course, mas maraming nagbe-branch out at mas kailangan natin na mas maraming wiring for that. And of course, since malaki yung building, mas marami din ang mga involved na units dyan. Alam mo, meron tayong building na pagkalaki-laki tas konti lang ang laman na units, so parang impractical naman yun. So, each telecommunication closet serves as a location where junctions between the backbone pathway and horizontal pathways are made at one or more panels. So, mamaya dadaanan natin yung horizontal pathway na yan at yung mga backbone pathways. Okay. So, may nabanggit sa may book ni Wojcik at ni D'Agostini na patch panel. So, ano ba itong patch panel? Yung patch panel na tatawag natin ay isang mounted na hardware unit containing assembly of rows and connecting locations in the communication system na tatawag natin ng mga ports. So, ano ba yung mga ports? Yung mga ports, yan yung pagkaka-branch out natin. Or yan yung yung pagkakahati-hati ng connection ng data communication network natin. That's why a port is defined as a receptacle that is a specified place for physically connecting device or piece of equipment to another. So, kumbaga, ang katumbas ng isang port sa ang kanyang electrical counterpart ay yung ating mga receptacles at yung ating mga outlets. Ganun siya nagkakapareho kay electricity. Okay. So, may nabanggit din dyan na another term kay D'Agostini and kay Wojcik. So, nabanggit dyan yung tinatawag natin na patch cord. So, yung patch cord, yan naman yung ating connecting wires na counterparts ng electricity. Such that a patch cord is defined as a type of jumper cable that is used to create connection to the data from one port to another port. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, from point to point, magkoconnect siya. So, punta tayo ngayon kay backbone pathway. So ano yung si backbone pathway? Si backbone pathway, okay, yan ngayon yung nagko-connect sa may entrance facility papunta doon sa may pinakaloob at iba-branch out niya ngayon yan. Okay. That is why the backbone facility is defined as the feature or simply refers to the one that connects the entrance facilities equipment room to the telecommunications process for cabling and interconnects equipment and devices in these spaces. Okay. Kaya ganyan ang kanyang definition. Okay. So ano naman itong horizontal pathways? So yung horizontal pathways, doon yung dumadaan yung mga cabling natin. Kaya pala sa journal report natin, mas maganda, kung naitabi nyo pa yung mga yung mga ginawa niyo for journal report 1. So, doon din tayo mag-base. Pero usually ang horizontal cable is nag-extend yan from the work area. So, ano ba yung mga work area? Yung mga cubicle na kung saan tayo nag-work or kung asaan yung ating mga workspaces. So, it extends to the closet, okay, and then consists of the horizontal cable communications outlet, table terminations, and cross connections. That's why it extends from the work area. So, from work area, papunta sa ating pathway or sa ating pagdadaanan ng wiring ng ating telecommunication network. So, remember, nabanggit ko dati yung mga wires na for data communication. So, we have their shielded here, unshielded reset here, and fiber optic. So, yun ang mga kadasang dumadaan sa mga horizontal pathways. So, yun lang iba sa may book. Okay. So, makikita nyo, may mga figures dyan. Please be familiar, so may questions kayo, huwag yung may iyak lang sa akin. So, work area is simply the workstation. Kung asan mismo yung pinaka-terminal ng isang port or binabagsak yung isang connection. So, let's now go to advanced wiring systems for homes. So, minsan kasi di ba ang bahay natin is mayroon pa yung mga extra or if not our bahay or yung mga establishment. Ayaw natin minsan yung pakalat-kalat yung mga wirings. So, ano ba yung mga nangyayari pag pakalat-kalat yung wirings, di ba nga? So, say for example, you have their a Blu-ray player. You have their a smart TV. You have their connection of your internet. Okay. So, mga wire na makapakalat-kalat yan. So, how do we reduce that? Di ba nga, ine-embed natin sa mismong loob ng mga walls. If nasa mga walls, nilagay natin sa mga floors. So, pag nilagay natin sa may floors, di ba nga, so paano natago yung mga wires ay hindi siya messy tingnan. Such that aesthetically, it's more appealing sa mga tao or mga bisita natin. So, let's have here a short word from the book. So, an advanced wiring system allows the homeowner to integrate the control and management of the following subsystems. Okay. So, ano na yung mga yan? So, meron tayong communication subsystems. So, ano yung mga communication subsystem? So, yung mga intercom, yung mga phone, yung mga local phone na pakalat-kalat dyan, yung fax, message recording, and some other things na with regards to data. So, meron tayong entertainment subsystem. So, ano naman yung entertainment subsystem? So, yung mga entertainment subsystem, ito naman yung mga, yung mga full house stereo, full establishment stereo. So, ano yung mga full establishment stereo? So, yun yung parang sound system, yung mga speakers sa mga malls, di ba? Yung tung, tung, tung. Di ba? Yung parang may mga cue pa na gano'n, tapos biglang mag-announce yung announcer. And then right after that, may rinig mo yung voice. Or, yung centralized na music ng isang establishment. May nagpapatugtog and then narinig mo sa buong establishment. What is now the home office subsystem? That's the third one. So, yung home office subsystem, andyan yung mga computer, yung server, yung mga printer, okay, na centralized, at yung mga scanner na centralized. Kumbaga, nakashare nga yung devices within a central and network. So, environmental control, energy management subsystem. So, ano yung mga yon? Yung ating mga control ng mga heater, mga lights, okay, dun siya. And then, security property protection system. Yung mga connection ng ating mga CCTV ay kasama din siya dun sa mga pinagkakonektan natin dito. So, video surveillance, CCTV, recording, or anything about security, yung sensors ng kung meron mga security lights dyan, say for example, yung pag-laser na-touch ng tao, so mag-alarm siya. So, dun siya na-under, at lahat ng mga yan ay na-under sa atin, tawag natin na advanced wiring systems. So, wiring system components tayo ngayon. So, for wiring system components, meron tayong tinatawag na service center. So, ano pong service center yung tinatawag natin? So, ang service center, so sometimes called the central hub or the distribution center. Okay. So that is a central part of the system that accepts incoming services and distributed services throughout the home. So kumbaga, siya yung pinaka may hawak ng control at siya yung nagdi-distribute ng mga possible services na kinakailangan natin sa ating establishment. So yung mga figures, tingnan na lang sa may book. So meron tayong universal multi-use outlets. So ano naman itong universal multi-use outlets? So ang universal multi-use outlets is marami siyang connections na naka-interlay doon, and then may mga different wiring for several uses. So the telecommunication out, so let's read the premise from the from our book. So according to the book, so the telecommunication outlets in a room determine the services that are made available in the room. So universal multi-use outlets can be customized to customer specific needs based on the services that are considered in each room. So ibig sabihin, may mga wiring doon and naghahati-hati lang sila. And then, in a single connection, para isang daanan lang sila. So, yung mga possible na pwedeng mag-share ng isang connection is lahat sila mapasok lang sa isang daanan. So, for high-performance cabling, so hindi natin siya masyadong dadaanan. So, for the high-performance cabling, kadalasan dyan is kinoconsider lang natin yung pinaka-maximum throughput na kayang daanan na kayang dumaanan dito sa ating mga wires. Okay. So sabi ko nga, electricity is parang water yan, just as I mentioned in our first lesson. Okay. So kung maliit ang tubo, okay, malamang ang output ng tubig mo ay mahina din. So sa data connection, ganyan din. So we'll use a higher capacity wire or a higher category wire na kaya mag-transmit ng mas mataas na throughput ng data. So say for example, kaya ng bato ng wire mo is 30 Mbps. Kahit gano'ng kataas pa ang binabato ng broadband mo, hindi siya bibili sa 30 Mbps, not unless you change the wire. So that's another consideration to make your connection faster. You'll consider the bandwidth na kayang support ng ating need. So do we have any problems with regards to all of the things I've mentioned? Okay. So kung wala mo kayo question sa mga bagay na nabanggit ko, so pwede kayong mag-proceed sa may next module na natin, and kung meron man, don't hesitate to send me a private message. I'm always here to answer your concerns. So hope you're enjoying our lectures. So proceed now with our activity sheets. So Surgeon is always here to answer your concerns. Huwag kayong mahihiya kung meron kayong katanungan. See you on our next lecture.